Alright, today we're going to bring a smoke leak detector, and this one comes with included with all these attachments, especially for the pressure, because it does have a pressure meter system in here. You could actually pressure some more here and then squeeze it out to drain out the rest of it. They give you plenty of attachments in here along with all the tools necessary for every single type of actually pressure test or smoke leak test. Now, people use this for two things. In case there's any pipes that are either ripped or outdated and have holes. Now, this thing has a plus and minus here. Switch for the smoke, switch for the air pressure meter. Oil base goes in the back and the top. Oil base goes out here, the smoke goes out here, drain, and then the 12 volt. 12 volt, you can charge it through your battery or through an actual wall connection. There is no wall connection included with it, but if you have a 12 volt DC connection, you could add this. So right now, we do have our baby oil. We have our car here. We're gonna test out one of the pipes. I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, so we're gonna do our testing on the actual smoke machine. So what you wanna do is open this up. You wanna add mineral oil, baby oil. Plug it in, but then once you plug it in, don't let these touch each other, right? So once you plug in the battery, keep it away from the battery. You got your plus and your minus. Your plus and your minus, plus, then we're going to put minus. There it goes. It turns on. The pressure, there's pressure in here. You can see the pressure gauge when I push it. Look at that. That's the push. That's the air. And there we see smoke. You guys can see the smoke. So we're gonna use the air off. Smoke comes out slowly. Just make sure that it is running. I'm gonna disconnect it on side. So if you're ever gonna do the smoke, look at this. It's pushing out smoke, and if you want air, coming in one side, going on the other one. Make sure there's no holes on the. So this comes in handy for pretty much anything that you want to use and check your piping. And at the same time, like I said, you could put pressure, turn it on, smoke, pressure. Look at the pressure. There's baby oil in here, but there is a drain pipe too that you could drain everything out. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys. Drain is right here, so we're gonna go ahead and drain the rest of it. All right, when it comes out to draining the system, another thing is put a cloth in somewhere that's gonna catch her, because it might not be a lot of oil, but if it is, it will be ready to capture whatever it is. So you grab the drain, make sure you tilt it up first, so it won't spill up right away. Uncap it. Once you uncap it, oil drain, and there it is. You can leave a little bit in there, it doesn't matter, and it's going to soak up on the actual towel. It won't leak over. Just make sure it's not a lot, but it's perfect. And this thing is portable. You can take it anywhere. Very useful for mechanics out there, or anybody that wants to learn any kind of smoke detector system that wants to use for any kind of pipes that you have on either on your vehicle or any other machinery that you need. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.